Okay, you guys, so for this look, I'm starting off with a twist out, and as you can see, I had a lot of definition, so I wanted to create a hairstyle that was going to show it off. In this back section, you can see the curls were a little bit looser. The twist didn't stay back there, so that's why I ended up pulling my hair up in the back, but I still had some really nice definition in the front. So I'm just going to show a little close-up of the curls in the front, and then we're going to get into the style. I'm going to decide how much hair I want to leave out in the front. You can leave as little or as much as you would like. I kind of used my ear as a guideline, so I'm just going to section those front parts away from the back and then use clips to keep them out of the way while I get the back situated. So to get the back situated, I'm going to take a pick and just use that as kind of like a comb just to get the hair going in the direction that I wanted. So I was going to be brushing the back section up, so I'm just using my pick and just combing my hair up. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of water in a spray bottle that I got from Sally's and just brush the water in. Really helps smooth the hair out before I go in with my edge control. Edge control that I'm using is from Design Essentials. It's their Honey and Shea Edge Tamer, and I really like this stuff. It's one of my favorite edge controls. It has a really nice hold, but it's not too extreme, and it also gives some really nice shine. So now that it's all brushed and smooth and I have my ponytail in, I just like to take a little bit of water and just go over any frizzy pieces. So you don't have to do this, but it's just something I like to do sometimes. So you just spray a little bit of water and just kind of get some of that frizz out of the way. Just putting on some lip gloss. This one is from Fenty Beauty. It is in Fenty Glow. And then here we have the final look. I was really feeling this look. It showed off the definition that I had for my twist out, which was my previous video. So check that out if you haven't seen it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.